Firefly, fly so far away into the night, fading by dawn's day. Guide them on to find their peace in that final endless sleep. Please fly in bright stars as you did in life, though the absence cuts like a knife. Still go up to void and place her light, so she still guides me through dark night, and sing her name into the stars, so even when gone she'll never be far. Empty dark, please hold them tight, keep my child's dying light. Firefly, fly so far away into the night, fading by dawn's day. Guide them up to find their peace in that final endless sleep. Gone to a place so far from me, I'll still hold her close for eternity. Rooted in my heart, you'll always stay. Your memory in me will never decay. I'll see her again after each long day, and one day join her when I go away. Stay bright, my light, to one day guide me there into oblivion's gentle care. Firefly, fly so far away into the night, fading by dawn's day. Guide them up to find their peace in her final endless sleep. Good night, Sang.